So I recently just had an intense moment in a Minecraft Bed Wars game. It involves me trying to clutch the game after all my teammates died in a 1 versus 7 situation. So at the start of the attack from blue team, I tried to counter attack them, but I quickly ran away because I knew facing them head on would be dangerous. And I also knew that they were stacked with potions and gaps. So what I did is I just waited and stalled, you know, if if they would attack me, then I would just run away and heal. That way they would waste all of their potions and I could get a chance to strike back. And as you can see, if any player would get isolated and try to fight me head on, I would combo them and damage them before the backup arrived. And as you can see here, one player eliminated themselves from the blue team, and what that means is they fell. Yeah. And as you can see, two people are here, and I obviously cannot take this, so I just ran. And what I'm doing here is using the orb of poison to its maximum potential. So I only use the orb of potion when there's like 3 to 2 people on me, because that way it poisons 2 or 3 at the same time. So I only use it when there's a group, not when it's a 1v1, because it would be a waste of its maximum potential. So as you can see here, I managed to get away, and this guy tries to kill me, but I managed to get away. And as you can see, I used the orb of poison here. 3 of them comes up, so I use the potion again. Then they get me in this combo, but I managed to get out. So after I managed to get out of that, they got me in another combo, so I luckily managed to get out again. And then 2 of them retreated, probably to heal, but now there's 4 of them on me. I am fighting for my life, but luckily I managed to get out in time, and this guy is comboing me, but luckily I managed to clutch it in time. For a short second, I managed to get some breathing room to restock and organize my inventory. Then this guy comes up, but luckily I managed to clutch again thanks to the jet booster. This jet booster really saved my life. So now I'm buying tons of orb poison to restock, and one guy fell. So now there's only 4 remaining enemies. Then I get out of that situation and go to middle. Then this one brave guy tries to attack me without having his chest plate. So if you have the jet booster on, you have to remove your chest plate, and this guy was fighting me without his chest plate while I had it. So he had the disadvantage because he was taking more damage. I managed to get out of the situation, and I used potion of regen along with golden apples, and I throw a potion of poison. And as you can see, the thing that I pointed out, they even said, bro, equip chest plate, which means that they really understood that they would fall to me if they didn't use chest plate. This one brave guy wants to 1v1 me, and now there's 2. Why did my teammates have to die, man? Alright, so jokes aside, I managed to kill him because of course he wasn't equipping his chest plate, and I managed to get out from that situation. I used potion of regeneration and I jet boost out of that. The 2 guys that were chasing me stopped, so now I could get some breathing room to restock my inventory and heal up. And one guy fell. So now that there's only 2 people left, I had a much higher chance to win this game and clutch for my dead teammates that died and sold, because I broke 2 of the crystals and my teammates didn't get the bed. So now I am just fixing my inventory, and one of them even said sorry guys. So I kind of hesitated to send this message for some reason. I don't know why, but I didn't. So I just kept restocking my items, getting fireballs, and now I am completely ready. I noticed that the timer was getting low to 3 minutes and they would win automatically because they had more members. So I rushed to their base, and I think what happens next is pretty self-explanatory. And this is where I meet my defeat, and it's game over. It was a pretty good game. I had a good run. GG. So I hope you all enjoyed, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.